This thing has made several trips through my grass. Oh man. It's killing me. Killing me. Current situation. Current status of the grass. I'm about to get to work, rake it up, and throw some biostimulants down. See, they haven't even left yet, and I'm getting to it right now. Hurry up, I don't play. I got to rescue the fescue. All right, so I just mowed it. I raked it up a little bit more and made sure it wasn't laying over the best I could. I do see some areas right here. I may take the mower over that one more time after I rake it. But this area in here was hit the hardest. You can see the discoloration. So now what I'm gonna do is spray the foreplay on it and then water this sucker. Next step, foreplay. Here we go. Let me tell you what, I just put in some work. I was sweating so much I had to go shower and change and everything, but look at this. Okay, so it already looks a little bit better, and hopefully getting to it quickly with the foreplay is only going to make things better. I have high hopes for this fescue. I think I got to everything in time, quickly, before the people even left. Yes, rescue the fescue. That is the goal. Rescue the fescue.